Check this out, man. When's the last time you seen one of these, man? Well, in the junkyard anyways. Yeah. Got an AMC Javelin, man. 73 or 74. Not sure which year. It's the last, one of those last 2 years, because that the rear tail light assembly kind of lets me know. But it's missing the bumper, the little bumperette deals, you know. I'm gonna go through it quick. This car is, she's pretty rough, but you know, I just thought I'd get a video of it real quick. Obviously you can see the rust damage down there. She had a top, I think, didn't she? Yeah, I believe she did. Yeah, she had a top. Yeah. Damage right here. I think it might have been a forklift. Obviously, no drivetrain. No lights. None of this up on from the front. So they just chopped it right off. You hit it with the either with a plasma cutter or a oxyacetylene torch. And of course she's missing the, well, this is a different fender, you can tell. I know this sucks, man. It just, that's where the, you know, the sun, the way it is, and the way this is kind of sitting in the shade, and yeah, camera's not liking it. I don't know if you can, you see that VIN there? I think you can, right? Yeah. It's 1988, man. I'm figuring, yeah, I could see that. I could see that. Trying to get a good angle in case, you know, for that thumbnail. A cool thing about these cars is that they were exempt from the whole big bumper deal, man. You know, oh, you could tell it was hit though. Looks like it was it hit? No, looks like it's right up on it. Yeah, I think this is where it would have went. I think, I'm not sure, but yeah, these never got the big, you know, ugly bumpers from the 70s, like after like 73, 74. Yeah. Inside, door panel. Get your 2-barrel. I'm thinking it might have been, not sure which engine it would have been in there. I'll have to look it up. I like the way the glove box is right there. Yeah, go around and see the rest of the dash. I think the dash lights are cool, very cool on these cars. Compressor, starter, another starter. I don't know what the deal is. Half the engine's in here. The rest of it might be in the trunk. Door close is good though. Looks solid. She had the keys. They're down here. Man, look at that dash layout. Isn't that cool? That is cool. I like that. Heck yeah. Yes, I like it. Got the console down here with the shifter. Well, it's broken. The shifter handle's broken. You can see it. American Motors radio. Heck yeah. She had buckets. What's in the back here? Condenser, radiator. I wonder what's in the back of the trunk. I think the glass is still good. Yeah, I think all the glass is good on this car. Yeah. Yeah, I'd say so. Let's look underneath real quick. I can't really see. You guys have to let me know because I can't really see it. She looks solid though. This quarter panel is good. I should try to open that trunk. Can't really see it now. I'm not gonna open that trunk, man, because it's like right up here at the front. But there it is, man. Just thought I'd get a quick one of this one here. I thought it was pretty cool to see one of these AMC Javelin. This kind of last time I saw one of these was in LKQ in Tampa, maybe about 7-8 years ago. A lot worse shape than this one. All right, man. That's gonna be it.